How to fix Snapchat app keeps freezing. Watch the full video. So first of all, long press on Snapchat app. Tap app info. Go to storage usage. Clear cache. Close this app. Go to Play Store. Search for Snapchat. If you are iPhone user, then go to App Store. Now here update the app. After updating the app, restart the phone. This will fix the issue. If they still not fix the issue, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app.